Hello everyone and welcome back to another NC Live tutorial. I'm excited to show you, as I always am, all the resources that are available to you through NC Live with your library card for free, 100% for free. I love it. So if you are here on our home page and you go to Books and More and go to NC Live, if we browse all databases, we are going to go down here on the left and we are going to click History and Biography, which is going to narrow down our list. And this is the resource we're talking about today, Gale in Context Biography. Now, if you are anything like me and you like to read about different people and hear all about their fascinating lives, this is going to be an amazing resource for you. If you're doing a research paper for school, whether you're a teenager, an adult, for college, doesn't matter. This is going to be an amazing resource for you. It's also going to have things like citing your source for you. You can do that, or you can email articles to yourself. It's wonderful. I love it. So we're going to click that, and it's going to take us to that resource. As always, when you click on it at home, it's going to take you to a page where you have to type in your library card number. But once you do that, this will be what you see, the home page. And if we scroll down, it's going to give you a person of the day, and it's going to give you some different options based on different subjects of people that you might want to look at. If you go here to where these links are and click Browse People, it's going to give you a whole long list of potential people you could search for. There are so many different people. And then, of course, you can always go to the search bar. If you know exactly who you want to look for, you can click that as well. I'm just going to click somebody randomly here. So you see, it gives you an overview of that person, a really short summary, but you can read more to get more information, and then it gives you quick facts about that person. If we click Read More, it's going to give you that full biography, all of that information about this particular person that you're wanting, and it just keeps going. There's lots of information. Now, say I am in school and I need this article for my paper. I need to cite it. If I want to include it, well, up here at the top, we've got a Cite button that's going to give you a citation, and you can also change the type of citation based on what you need for your particular paper. You can also send the article, so you can save it or you can email it to yourself. You can print it, you can download it. All sorts of wonderful goodies that are going to help you if you're using this as a resource for school, which I highly recommend because it's doing the work for you, which is great. Again, there are so many different people that you can look up here. I mean, I don't even know. We're just going to type in George Washington. And there you go. Takes you right to George's page. And if we go back and we look at the article and we scroll down, it's giving you more things that you can read and access if you need more information. So it's a wonderful resource. I highly recommend it. I think it's great, again, if you are doing this for school, or like if you're like me and you just love learning new information about people, about historical figures or celebrities. This is a great place to go to get that quick and easy information. So I highly recommend it. Gale in Context Biography. That's what you're looking for. So I hope this is a great resource for you. I hope you have a good time accessing it. And I hope you'll join me for the next NC Live tutorial. Thank you so much.